Have you ever accidentally deleted an important file, formatted the wrong drive, or lost valuable photos after a system crash? Data loss can happen to anyone, and when it does, having the right recovery software can make all the difference. In today's video, we're taking a closer look at iTop Data Recovery, a Windows data recovery solution designed to help users recover deleted, formatted, or inaccessible files from a wide variety of storage devices. Let's see what it has to offer. One of the biggest strengths of iTop Data Recovery is its ability to recover files from many different data loss situations. Whether you've accidentally emptied the recycle bin, formatted a hard drive, experienced a system crash, suffered a virus attack, or lost files after a Windows update, the software is designed to help recover your data safely and efficiently.
The software supports over 1,000 different file formats, including documents, photos, videos, audio files, archives, emails, and many other file types. This broad compatibility makes it useful for both personal users and professionals who work with multiple file formats every day. When it comes to storage devices, iTop Data Recovery supports recovery from internal hard drives, SSDs, USB flash drives, memory cards, external hard drives, cameras, and even NAS storage devices in the latest versions. It also includes cloud restoration support, allowing recovered files to be saved directly to Google Drive or Dropbox. Another impressive feature is its dual scanning system. Users can choose to scan by storage location or by specific file type, making it much easier to find exactly what they're looking for. Combined with the built-in search and filtering tools, large recovery jobs become much more manageable.
Before recovering any files, iTop Data Recovery allows users to preview many supported file types completely free. This includes PDF documents, Microsoft Office files, photos, videos, and other common formats. Even better, the software provides a recovery status for each file, labeling it as excellent, good, or poor, helping users understand the likelihood of a successful recovery before restoring the file. According to the official website, iTop Data Recovery can achieve a recovery success rate of up to 99% under suitable conditions. Of course, actual recovery results depend on several factors, especially whether new data has overwritten the deleted files. In general, the sooner you attempt recovery after data loss, the higher your chances of getting your files back. Security is another important aspect worth mentioning. Unlike some cloud-based recovery services, iTop Data Recovery performs the entire recovery process locally on your computer. Your personal files remain on your own device throughout the recovery process, giving you greater privacy and control over sensitive information. The software also includes backup functionality. Besides recovering lost files, users can create automatic backups to help prevent future data loss. The Pro version offers smart differential backup, making regular backups more efficient while saving storage space. Using the software is straightforward. First, download and install iTop Data Recovery. After launching the application, simply choose the drive or file type you want to scan. Once the scan finishes, preview the recoverable files, select the ones you need, and restore them to a safe location. The interface is clean, beginner-friendly, and doesn't require advanced technical knowledge. Even first-time users should have little difficulty navigating through the recovery process.
Now let's briefly compare the free and pro versions. The free version allows users to scan drives, preview recoverable files, and perform basic recovery tasks. It's a great way to evaluate whether your lost files are still recoverable. The Pro version unlocks enhanced deep scanning, recovery for over 1,000 file formats, support for more than 300 storage devices, advanced backup features, NAS recovery, cloud restoration, live recovery speed monitoring, and priority technical support. So is iTop Data Recovery worth using? If you're looking for an easy-to-use Windows data recovery solution that supports a wide range of storage devices and file formats, iTop Data Recovery certainly offers an impressive feature set. The free preview feature is especially useful because it lets you verify recoverable files before committing to a full recovery.
Like any recovery software, however, success isn't guaranteed. Recovery depends largely on how quickly you act after data loss and whether the original data has already been overwritten. That's true for virtually every data recovery solution available today. Overall, iTop Data Recovery appears to be a solid choice for Windows users who need a reliable tool for recovering accidentally deleted, formatted, or lost files, while also providing backup features to help prevent future data loss. If you've used iTop data recovery before, let us know your experience in the comments below. We'd love to hear how it worked for you. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future software reviews and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.